Imagine this. Your Tucson local business is buried under piles of competitors. Now picture one simple hack that flips the game overnight. Google reviews, but not just any reviews, real, raving customer stories that attract clients like a magnet. Here's the twist. 90% of new customers trust online reviews more than personal recommendations. Shocking, right? Now, what if an online marketing media agency could supercharge those reviews, turning them into an unstoppable marketing machine? Visualize glowing 5-star reviews popping up like fireworks, pulling in customers one by one. Emotional fakeouts? Nope. Genuine trust built through authentic voices. And here's the kicker. Businesses leveraging Google reviews grow up to 80% faster. What's stopping you from owning this secret weapon? Ready to skyrocket your shop's success and dominate Tucson's local business scene? Let's talk, because your future customers are already searching. Are you showing up?